Full size or queen size?
Full size.
Damn it, I got a queen size.
My bed's a queen size. That's in there.
Okay.
Be careful, you're gonna lose a foot. Get her, get her, get her. So he holds her down. You go nowhere.
Hi guys.
Get her. Go get her.
That's a